What you doing, BJ?
I'm making some fruit.
Ah! Oh yeah?
Okay, yeah. Okay, yeah.
Don't do it. Here it goes. Oh, I got him! Oh no! You gonna lay down and make a snow angel?
What?
You wanna lay down and make a snow angel?
Yeah.
Okay, lay right here. There's a lot of snow right here, BJ. Lay down, lay down right there and make a snow angel. Right there. Did you make one? Is it cold?
Yeah.